Morning, boys and girls. So today, as you can see here, we've got our coins. We've got, let me move those ones aside. So here we've got the cents. Remember, we were learning about cents. So this is our 10 cent. Can you see? Okay, sorry. Can you see? That is our 10 cent. Remove the others. That is our 10 cent. And then this is our 20 cent. Okay, 10 cent, 20 cent. And then we have our 50 cent. So, like in math, 10 plus 20 gives you 30, right? 10 plus 20 gives you 30. So, I've got 30 cents, right? Then, when I put my 50 cents there, it's going to give me how many cents? 80 cents. You are right. And then, again, my mom gives me 20 cents more. So now, 80 cents plus 20 cents makes how much? It makes 100 cents. And 100 cents makes 1 rand. They make how much? 1 rand. Even if I can take a 50 cent and a 50 cents, it gives us what? It makes a 1 rand, right? So now this week we're learning about rands. So I've got 1 rand, and then my friend gives me 1 rand more. So 1 rand plus 1 rand makes how much? 2 rand. Okay, it makes 2 rand because 1 plus 2, 1, it gives us 2. 1 plus 1 gives us 2. And then my dad gives me 1 rand more. So how much money do I have now? 3 rand. Now I have 3 rand. And then my grand gives me 50 cents more. How much money will I have? 3 rand 50 cents. How do we write that? Wait a minute, I'm going to show you just now. So, I said we have 1 rand. So, it's very important for you guys to write the R to show that this stands for rands. This stands for rand. Okay, it stands for rand. And then this stays for cents or units. Okay, so now that's what you're going to do. Then I have 1 rand. Then my dad gives me 1 rand more. Okay, I have 1 rand plus 1 rand. Then how much money will I have? 2 rand. This is how we're going to write our 2 rand. But then what if, teacher, somebody comes and give me 50 cents more? So now I have 2 rand. There's our 2 rand, right? 50 cents. How do I write it down? So this is how you're going to write it down. You are going to say, it's for rands, right? You're going to 2 rand. You're going to write 2 for 2 rand. Then you put a comma. Then you write your 50. Then you put your cents. That gives us 2 rand 50 cents. Can you see? Good. I know you guys are going to do very well at this activity.